The year is 2025, and AI isn't just assisting humans, it's replacing them. From writing and coding to customer service and video editing, AI tools are taking over jobs faster than anyone expected. But don't worry, today you'll learn which AI tools are replacing jobs and how you can stay ahead. In 2025, companies are saving millions by automating tasks with AI. Customer support teams are now powered by ChatGPT and Gemini. Designers are being replaced by Midjourney and Leonardo AI. Writers and marketers are using Jasper AI instead of hiring freelancers. And developers? Many are now using GitHub Copilot to write code automatically. It's not science fiction, it's the new normal. But here's the truth, AI won't replace you if you know how to use it. Learn prompt engineering. Learn to automate your daily tasks with tools like Zapier, ChatGPT, and Notion AI. Upskill in areas where humans still win: creativity, strategy, and emotional intelligence. Instead of fighting AI, work with it. Those who adapt will earn more, work less, and lead the future. So before AI takes your job, take control. Start using these tools today, not tomorrow. Because in this AI revolution, knowledge is power. Lightbulb, want to stay ahead of the curve? Subscribe to Sprintzeal for more videos on AI tools, tech trends, and productivity hacks. The future is here. Don't get replaced. Get upgraded.